Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com, coming to you from a beautiful and sunny Menasha, Wisconsin. Running a little behind today on my wait, what tip video. So I am working my little tail off to get this out to you today. I also have a great joke to share with you on my blog. You'll always find my blog at www.stampabove.com. Wednesday is my joke of the week that goes along with my wait, what tip video. So I was trying to think, what is my tip going to be? What is my tip going to be? And I ran across a little thing with my glue that I thought I would share with you. You might find it helpful. You might find it silly, but I hope it's helpful. Let's flip the camera around. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first of all, before I get too far, I forgot to say this on my Facebook Live Sunday night. I had two instances where all of the things I was keeping track of while I was on a camping trip last week, all the emails I was keeping track of, people asking for catalogs, people asking for certain things that I couldn't do until I got home, kept track of that all in a draft email, my to-do list. Twice while I was gone, my computer updated itself and erased my list. I've gone back through my emails twice, but I know there were messages that came in from either texting or instant messaging that I did not get back on my list to do. So if you requested catalogs from me last week or any other thing and you haven't heard from me or gotten the thing that you asked for, please reach out to me again. And I am so sorry, but how frustrating was that? I had a lot of technical difficulties last week. So if you watch my Facebook Live Sunday, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's talk about our mono liquid glue. We call this our multi-purpose liquid glue. And I know lots of times people are really afraid that these glue bottles are going to dry up. And I just want to let you know, sometimes I will forget to put the lid on my glue and it'll sit on my desk all night long. Get up the next day, there's going to be a little spot of dried glue in here. So if you ever see me shake the glue and it's not squeezing out, you'll see me grab it like this and pull. That pulls that little plug that has dried itself on the end of my glue bottle out, and then it allows me to squirt out the glue, okay? The other thing that I wanted to share with you, I have this little container of upholstery pins. These are the perfect size. I love these because they have a little handle on them, right? My fingers don't work as good as they used to. Let me turn some lights on here. I forgot about that, sorry. My fingers just don't work as good as they used to. I think the older we get, the more trouble we have with our dexterity. Is that what they call it? Yeah. And so I love the upholstery pins because they have a little handle on them. Now, you can certainly use this to poke in your glue bottle if it happens to get plugged up. I rarely have to use the pin. I just pull that dried little ball out of the end from leaving my glue sit out. But what I like to do with these upholstery pins is even after you open your glue bottle, there is a plastic wrapping on your glue bottle. And I will take these upholstery pins and I will push them down in here so that they're flush with the edge of my bottle. They don't hinder my ability to put that lid on at all. It keeps them in here safe. They're not going to poke me. And I actually have them in pretty much all my glue bottles. Like, I just have these pins in there. And again, these are upholstery pins, and I really like them. And I just thought that might be a helpful tip. The other thing that I wanted to share with you is when I am stamping, I never ever set this bottle back up on the table upright. Because as I'm stamping, now the next time I go to grab it, I have to shake it down to get the glue down to the tip to use it. I always just lay my glue like that. I leave it lay like that. It doesn't spill out. Nothing happens. That way, when I'm ready to use it, that glue is much closer to the tip and I don't have to mess around with it so long. I guess little things like that just kind of annoy me. So I try to figure out ways to make them work better for me. So that's it. That's my tip for today. I hope you found it useful. I love the multi-purpose glue. Where can you get this? You can go right to my store. You're gonna find an online ordering button on my blog. This is the address. And if your order is under $150, please use this host code. If it's over $150, don't use the code. You're gonna get some rewards from Stampin' Up, and I definitely want you to have those. I always appreciate your orders. And now I'm going to say that there's going to be a link right up here in the right corner for you to click on that will take you to my blog. But I want to be perfectly clear with you. I've been having some more technical problems with YouTube not allowing me to put that link in. So if you don't see a little thing pop up in the top right corner here, then you're just going to have to go to a new browser window and go to my blog. I'm going to try again. So I wanted to let you know. Don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything coming out, and head over to my blog and check out my joke of the week. We all need to laugh a little bit more. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.